Hello students, how are you and your family? Hope all of you and your near and dear ones are doing very well. Today, before we start our class, I will take some of your time to share some words with you all. Nowadays, this pandemic crisis is getting much worse than we ever think. Central government as well as our state government have declared a strict lockdown again in some states, districts, including some particular areas also. So we need to be very cautious about our activities. I know that it's become very monotonous as we cannot step out from our home for a long time. We cannot go out for shopping, playing or chit-chat with our friends as the school has been remained closed from last 5 months. And also, we don't have any idea when we will get over this crisis. But we are helpless. To keep ourselves safe, we have to stay at home. Please don't step out if there is no emergency. Parents, please spend and enjoy the quality time with your child. Along with studying, play some indoor games with them, tell them stories you heard in your childhood, make some handcrafts. These things will surely make you and your child happy. Ask your neighbors and your relatives about their health, help those who are needy, feed the strays. And last but not least, remember, protect yourself and others around you by knowing the facts and taking appropriate precautions. Prevention measures are your first line of defense. Though we all know these safety measures tips, but I want to utter this again to make it fresh in your memory. First, avoid contact with others and wear face mask if you need to leave your home. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after going to the bathroom, before eating and after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth with your unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Stay home when you are sick. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue. Then throw the tissue in the trash and wash your hands. If you don't have a tissue, cough or sneeze into your elbow rather than into your hands. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Restrict your travel. Remember, masks alone do not protect against COVID-19 and should be combined with physical distancing and hand hygiene. Today our lesson is A and N, chapter number 10, page number 61. Look at the board. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We know that English alphabet consists of 26 letters in all. There are some letters of the alphabet that are special. They are known as vowel. The vowels are A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels and the rest of them are called consonants. Now look at your book. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. All the other letters of the alphabet are known as consonants. Write down the letters of the alphabet that are consonants. Now turn over the page, page number 62. Remember, when a word begins with a vowel sound, we write an before it. Now look at these examples: an ant, an owl, an umbrella, an egg, an ink pot. These all words starts with a vowel: A, O, U, E and I. Now next, when a word begins with a consonant sound, write A before it, like a boy, a dog, a girl, a cat, a horse. Now, like bag, egg, orange, doll, ink pot. Look at these examples. Bag. Bag is starts with a consonant. So we write A. Egg. the word egg starts with a vowel. We write an. Next, orange. Orange starts with a vowel O. An. Next, doll. Doll starts with a consonant D. A. Ink pot. I is a vowel. So, an. Arrow. Arrow starts with A. A is a vowel. So, an. Now look at your book, page number 63. A. Put an before the words given below. An aeroplane, an ice cream, an orange, an apple, an elephant, an eagle, an engine, an umbrella. Look at these words. These words start with vowels. Number B. Put A before the words given below. A fan, a nest, a jug, a parrot, a kite, a rat, a lamp, a rabbit. These words start with consonants. Now turn over the page. Page number 64. Put a or an in the blanks to complete the story. The Mehta family is going on a picnic to a park. Mother packs an apple for Sham, a mango for Ritu, a bottle of lemonade for Mr. Mehta, and a sandwich for herself. I want to ride on a camel, says Sham. And I want to sit in an aeroplane, shouts Ritu. I want to buy an orange balloon, says Sham. And I want a blue one, says Ritu. First, we have to get into the car and go to the park. Then you can do whatever you want, says Mr. Mehta. So always remember, when a word begins with a vowel sound, we write an before it, and when a word begins with a consonant sound, we write a before it. Thank you. This is for today. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning.